Hello and welcome to Real Deal EV. Today we're going to be going over how to remove a Tesla Model X instrument cluster. So we've done a video on this a couple years ago on an S, and in this video we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're not going to disconnect the 12-volt battery and we're not going to remove the fireman's loop. We're going to leave that in place. You're just going to power down the car and not touch the seat. The other thing I'm going to focus on is the plugs on the back of the instrument cluster. That always kind of gives people some problems, those plugs do. So highlighting that, this will be kind of a supplemental video to the first video. This is just going to be a quick how to remove everything, focus on those plugs, and if you need more detailed how to put everything back together, more detailed removal, refer to that Model S video in the link in the description. So from here on out, we're going to go ahead and continue removing the T20 torque screws. There's a lot of those, so we got 3 of them out so far. The next thing I'm going to do is start pumping up the dash pad. Now you want to be careful on this. You don't want to end up bending the aluminum. So I like to use 2 if you have them. People have asked about these bladders too. I just get them on Amazon. I don't know if it's something that I should sell as part of a kit. This kind of seems like a common tool these days, but let me know what you think if I need to start selling these as part of the instrument cluster. So from here out, still removing the T20 torque screws. So you want to make sure you got your steering wheel all the way out and all the way down. All right, once I got all those screws out, I'm going to go ahead and remove the instrument cluster surround. Now I'm going to remove the air vent. Now I'm going to get this dangly guy out of the way. Now you're going to pull this vent out, straight out. That was already broken. Somebody must have over tightened that from factory. So the last 2 torque screws I just pulled out. Now I'm going to go into the MCU and power off the car. So from this point, don't sit in the seat. If you sit in the seat, it'll power the car back up. So basically what you can do is remove the instrument cluster, put the new one back in, hop in the seat, and it should boot right up. And if it doesn't, you're just going to do the steering wheel resets. So right here, you're going to squeeze with your fingers to release this lock that's on this cable. Here's the lock. I'm pressing on it. So that's that one. The next one, you're going to use your index finger and your thumb, and you're going to kind of push on the lock and then roll the rocker out of the way. When I say all that, it sounds complicated. Once you see it, you'll understand it a little bit better. You're going to push with your finger and then roll it with your thumb. So they're pushing the rocker out of the way, and you can see it basically pulls the plug right out of the housing. So on top, there's the lock. And then the rocker is now out of the way. So here it is all by itself, so you can see it. This is what it would be like in the instrument cluster. So you're going to press on it and then remove that lock, that rocker. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know.